I'm here back with another new mini lesson. Been away for a while, but we're back now in full effect. Glad you guys could join us for another mini lesson, and we have some exciting content today. Today we're breaking down a song, and you'll hear the song at the end of the video, so stay tuned, stay till the end. If you have not already done so, please click the like or subscribe button. If you're new to the channel, welcome. We're glad that you're here. So, hey guys, today's mini lesson is getting back to the pocket after hitting the brakes in a song. We're going to do it in 4 easy steps. 4 easy steps. The first step, guys, we're going to establish the pocket as early as possible. So after the intro to the song, after we get things going, we want to establish a pocket right away. Here's what that sounds like. The second thing we want to do, or the second step, guys, is we want to hit the brakes or hit the brake in a song and then get right back to the pocket. The reason why it's important to get right back to the pocket is because as the drummers, we have to establish the pocket. We create the so-called sandbox, if you will, for all of the other musicians to play in with our groove and our pocket. So getting back to the pocket is very important. So step 2, hit the brakes, get back to the pocket. Here's what that sounds like. In step 3, guys, sometimes we can change the feel of a song just by changing the groove that we play. Not the tempo, but the groove or pattern that we're playing. Okay? And this could be beneficial in a song for many different reasons. Sometimes if you don't want the song to be very monotonous, or you just want to throw a curveball in there, you can change up the groove, not the tempo, to the song and give it a totally different feel. Here's what that sounds like. Guys, our 4th and final step is that we want to get back to the original groove. So we've changed up the feel of the song by changing the groove. Now we want to get back to the original groove here in step 4 and close out the song. So we get back to the original groove before the song ends, so we can close out the song with the original groove that we had established at the very beginning in step 1. So again, hey, before we go over this review and before we hear this song, have you ever had issues with hitting brakes in a song and then getting back to the pocket, maybe staying in tempo? I'd like to hear about it. Let's start a conversation in the comment section, and it may also help someone else. So if you've ever had a challenge with playing a groove or a pocket, then hitting a break or breaks, and then getting back to that same pocket, that same feel. If you've ever had that challenge, put your comments below. I want to read them. I want to comment to you and reply to your comments, but I think we can also help some other people that may be struggling. So with our combined efforts, a lot of people will have a lot of nuggets to pull from in the comments below. So thank you guys in advance for that. So anyway, let's review. Step 1 was to establish the pocket early. Step 2 was to hit the brakes and then get back to the pocket, because remember, we have to keep a pocket for all the other musicians to play. We have to build that creative sandbox, if you will. Step 3 was sometimes we can change the feel of a song just by changing the groove of the song. And then our 4th and final step was to get back to the original groove and close out the song.
iniquity, and the chastisement mighty man is here.
That's it, guys. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3, and 4. So hey, for all you guys who have not yet subscribed, I noticed that there are a lot of people who watch our content, but you have not yet subscribed. Please click the subscribe button, hit the bell notification down below. Don't forget, leave your comments, guys. Hey, I appreciate all of your support. Share the link with a friend, share the video with a friend. Join us on patreon.com if you want more exclusive content and more one-on-one time, maybe one-on-one tutorials or drum lessons individually. Look us up on Rimshot Drummer at patreon.com. Hey guys, thank you for all your support. I hope you've enjoyed the content of this video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.